Yo, what's up, you guys? Oh my god. Today we are going to be microwaving gummies. We're going to be microwaving Lifesaver gummies. I think we're going to be doing the red ones. We're gonna hopefully I'm expecting maybe a good look on this. Like maybe it'll be edible. Maybe I can put it in a bowl afterwards, or put it in a cup, put it in the fridge. Hopefully. But for now, let's just sort out these. Yeah, I think I might do multiple colors, but I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do green and red right now. Let me just put this down. So far we have like 5 red gummies. These are like so hard to open. Okay, we're getting a little bit more. Ooh, I think we have another one. Oh, right there. Yeah, I think we're having hope right now. Right now we have 9 red gummies. Right now we're coming up to the last package that I'm opening up. Hopefully we have more in this, because that would really suck if we're really left off with 10. Okay, so I sorted them all out, and now we have like 11 maybe? Yeah, I think it's 11. Okay, we're gonna take this and go put on a paper plate or something like that. Maybe plastic or something. Just so it doesn't stick to the glass. Okay. Maybe that. No. What am I doing this? Hopefully this will work out. We're gonna put this in here for about 30 seconds and we're gonna check up on it. I'm sorry, but I don't really know how to edit. So, I guess I'm just going to die. Oh, it's like 14 minutes, 12 seconds. Yeah. We're gonna have to get a spoon or something. Yeah, I think we're getting a spoon. Okay. I'm gonna go I'll get some others. Maybe I would add in watermelon because I ordered like orange. Let's just see how much we have. Okay, so I guess we're doing orange and red. Orange, red, and watermelon. That's what we're putting in there next. Because it might not be that much. Oh no. It's turning gummy again. Let's just put this down. I put it in there for like 30 more seconds. But I just want to show you this. It looks like it's still really warm. Yeah. Yeah, it's still really warm. But it's still really good. And my hands are all sticky now. Okay, let's go check on it. This is what we have right now. And just start on. Okay, so I probably need for like 20 more seconds. What I've found out is that it doesn't take that long for the gummies to melt and heat up. It takes like a lot, probably a little bit more longer to cool down. Okay, they're ready. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's bubbling up more and more. The smell smells like a burnt kind, but like it's not that bad as you'd expect. Right now I'm going to stir it up even more. Okay. Ow. Okay, so I burnt myself and I put it in my mouth. And once it like cooled down really quick, it turned into like a jelly rancher grass substance. So right now I'm gonna keep doing this. It's kind of like a web. Don't get this on you and don't try this at home. Oh wow. Oh, I burned myself really bad. Okay. So I'm gonna get out. Oh wait, no, it's right there. Okay. So right now, I'm going to get out the plate. I don't know if you can see that. I'll put it out. I don't know if it's gonna be, but let's delicious. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll put it out a little more here. It's like solidating like really fast right now. Oh, I need to like put this back. Look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna like, I made note to like maybe use gloves next time I put something in the microwave that I don't even know what might happen, because this kind of burnt me. Okay, I'm gonna need a, it's like sticking more and more, it's hardening as like it's getting more into the air. It's like what's in the gummies. Maybe it's just farther than what they put in. Maybe it's like mixed with the chemicals with the sugar that's causing this hardening to happen. Ow. It is really hot. Oh. The burn I have from this is still hurting. Ow. It's getting really, really hard. Ooh, it's really ripping. It's like pulling on the pit. Okay, so I have some in my hand. I'm just gonna roll this. It's coming into like, it tastes really good, but it's like turning into this like Jolly Rancher type of substance. I just gotta pull this, put it against this. It's like stuck to this spoon. Oh. Alright, I'll put this in the freezer. Now. Okay. I'm gonna see what happens if I put this in the microwave again what if it's gonna get even more harder? So let's try it. I'm only gonna put it 20 seconds right now. And it's gonna be really quick. But, oof, okay. So, what happened with the watermelon, the cherry, and the orange actually came out like a really great flavor. It's actually really sweet. Really badly like a Jolly Rancher. Ow. Okay. So, I'm gonna go get it. Let's see, I'm gonna bring it out real quick. Okay, so it's turning like into that spidery web kind of substance like before. And it's really weird. Again, so let me get on the plate because I need some testing after this. Ow, ow, ow. I was really hoping that this would turn into a longer lasting like liquid so I can mold it better. But obviously that's not going to happen with this because it's a gummy. And next I'm gonna go up there and try to get the green. So since I know more about this, I can make these little like cut things. I can mold it with my hand. And it's going to be more solidified, hopefully more like this when it happens. So this is what happened. This is really good. Kind of like a lollipop. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the freezer. Make a check on those ones that were huge. Huge one. Okay. So it's actually solidified, but it's still kind of sticky. So we only have to really, I think we only have to really put these in there for like maybe 2 minutes. But that's the end of this video. And if you actually like this, putting stuff in the microwaves, I will keep doing it. I mean, I think it's a really cool series, and I think I might just do it anyway. But if you really do like it, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about it and what you want me to do next. Well, that kind of be limited. But anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Peace.